How to use the AND gate chip, SN74HC08N chip. This is the chip, a quad 2-input AND gate, 4 independent AND gates on one chip. The logic of the AND gate is the output is high only when both inputs are high. One input high isn't enough, both at the same time. You need the chip, 2 buttons, a 10K resistor for each input, 1 LED, a resistor for that LED, breadboard, and 5V power. Pin 14 is VCC, pin 7 is ground. I'm using gate 1, inputs on pin 1 and 2, and the output is on pin 3. Each button connects to 5V on one side. The other side goes to the input pin with a 10K resistor pulling it down to ground. That pull down keeps the input at a stable low. When the button isn't pressed, without it, the input floats and you get unpredictable behavior. LED wired from pin 3 through the resistor to ground. So the behavior, neither button pressed, LED is off, left or right buttons only, still off, both buttons at once, LED turns on. That's it. It sounds almost too simple, but this is the building block behind adders, comparators, control logic, just more of it stacked together. Wiring diagram is on my site. If you want the cleaner version, link is in the description. And if you build this, share it on the Discord group. I'd love to see it. Link is below. Bye.